What is going on, YouTube? Murtacus back here, bringing you guys a video, basically an update on my channel. If you guys have been following my channel, a lot has happened. I've had multiple cars on the channel, kind of just here and there, but I really want to double down on my YouTube and show you guys some great content. Right now I have my wonderful girlfriend who's actually going to be the camera woman, taking shots. But right now I got my W220 S-Class S430, and I've been loving it. Great car, great stuff. I've been having a lot of stuff go on in my life. I am now a shop owner. I'll show you guys a little clip of what the shop is. Pretty much bare, but this is really good for the channel because I'll be able to really showcase my project cars, document what I'm doing with the cars, and really just give you guys a lot of content and share my passion of cars, and really take my YouTube up. So like I said, I still have the W220. I've had it for almost a year. Once it comes to October, it's been a year of ownership, and I've been really enjoying it. One of the nicest cars I've ever owned. And unfortunately, I haven't been able to give you guys much content because I've been dabbling in my own personal life. I'm running a roadside assistance business in my local area. Thankfully, I am able to do it full time now, and get the funds to support my projects as well as my personal life. So now that I have everything all set, this is an update video. I haven't posted in over like 100 days, so I'm still here, I'm still alive, thankfully. And yeah, I can't wait to really show you guys what I have in store. Come take a look. This thing's been awesome. Great car. I took it to the beach a couple times. I've driven long road trips, picked up my girlfriend from Pennsylvania. So this thing is awesome, and I can't wait to really show you guys some mods and DIY maintenance on this car. If you guys have also been following my channel, I have a Toyota Prius, a 2008 Gen 2. And I've been running my roadside assistance business out of the trunk. And once I get my GoPro, I lost my GoPro, so unfortunately I haven't been able to do my POV videos, which I really enjoy. But I'm getting another one from GoPro. Shout out to the support team. They're sending me a GoPro Hero 12. I just gotta wait on it. And yeah, we'll get our little POV videos back in action. Now that I have my girlfriend as the camera woman, we'll be able to do more cinematic, more cool stuff, more personal, where I talk into the camera, and really, show you guys a lot of content. So, thank you guys so much for your support. I have a lot of support from all the Prius videos I've made, all the BMW, G35, SLK content, and this is all, I feel like circled back to now where I can update you guys. I got this shop coming in. I have to set it up, and I'll show you the whole progress. I really can't wait to show you guys the shop. It's a barn. It used to be a shed that housed like RV campers, so it's super tall, super wide, tons of space to do car work. So I cannot wait to show you guys my future with project cars and all kinds of things. Make sure you comment down below how long you've been following me and any suggestions you want to see on the channel. And I'm just so excited, guys. I can't stop smiling. So take a nice little look. Big body bends. Big body bends. But yeah, guys, this is my little update video. Thank you guys so much for all your support. Like I said, I think I'm at like 3,500 subscribers. We're trying to get to 10K and then, you know, keep going up. So make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next video. Murtacus out. Peace.